Hello everybody and welcome to Energy Advantage, your trusted source of everything roofing and solar. Today we are diving into the world of roofing and one of the most popular choices when it comes to homeowners. That is asphalt shingles. Seriously, they're like everywhere. But are they the right choice for your home? In this video, we'll explore the pros and cons of asphalt shingles, helping you making informed choices about your roof. Okay, let's get started. Today we are diving into the world of roofing and one of the most popular choices among homeowners. Okay, so let's discuss the pros and cons when it comes to asphalt shingles. Let's start with the pros. Affordability. One of the reasons why asphalt shingles are so popular, of course, because they are affordable. But even better, they're actually cost efficient. This means they're worth the money and they do a pretty good job. Variety. What's so great about shingles is that they actually come in a variety of styles and colors. This allows homeowners to have a variety of choices. Durability. While they are not the most durable roofing material out there, they are still pretty durable. Depending on the type of shingle and on the grade of shingle, shingles can last anywhere between 15 to 30 years, maybe even more depending on maintenance. So really, this is a very attractive choice for homeowners because it's a real nice balance between affordability and functionality. Okay, now that we've been all positive and everything, let's talk about the cons when it comes to asphalt shingles. Lifespan. Now, in compared to other materials such as metal roofing or even clay and concrete tiles, the lifespan, of course, is much shorter. So if this is something that you as a homeowner want, as in you want the lifespan of your roof to last up to 50 years plus, then of course shingles may not be the best choice. Susceptible to weather damage. Here's the thing about shingles, they can actually be susceptible and prone to weather damage. They are prone to being damaged during extreme conditions such as hail, high winds, and of course, extreme temperature fluctuations. Environmental impact. Asphalt shingles are petroleum-based and therefore not as environmentally friendly. Maintenance. Because they aren't as durable as the other materials, they actually do require a little bit more maintenance than the other materials. On the other hand, when it comes to maintenance, it's usually cheaper to repair asphalt shingles. So this is like a pro and a con. Simply put, understanding these drawbacks when it comes to asphalt shingles will really help you choose the right material for your home. Sustainability for different climates. Okay, so let's talk about how asphalt shingles do depending on the different climates. Moderate climates. So asphalt shingles perform really well in moderate climates. They offer really good protection against the rain and the sun. So if this is where you live, then they're an excellent choice. Cold climates. Now, when it comes to colder climates, they can actually be more susceptible to cracking due to, of course, the freeze and thaw cycles. Warm climates. High heat can actually cause asphalt shingles to deteriorate much faster, and therefore they will have a shorter lifespan. Of course, do your own research depending on the area that you live in, but if you live in a climate that is a little more extreme, then shingles might just do, but of course, if you get a more durable material, then your roof will obviously last much longer. Maintenance and longevity tips. Okay, so here are some tips on how you can extend the lifespan of your shingles. Number one, depending on the grade of the shingles, of course we have 3-tab and architectural shingles. So 3-tab are the lower grade shingles. They will not last as long and they are not as durable. So if you want them to last a little bit longer, then you should definitely upgrade to asphalt shingles. Regular inspections. If you can catch the issue early on when it comes to shingles, then of course the repair will be minimal and it will be much more affordable. So having regular maintenance is key to make sure that your shingles are performing at their best. Gutter maintenance. I have made a whole video on gutters, so do me a favor, go and check that out because it will literally explain in detail why this is so essential. But simply put, you want to make sure that you keep your gutters clean because it prevents water damage on your roof and therefore your shingles. Trim overhanging branches. This simply prevents damage from branches falling onto your roof and, of course, debris buildup. So debris buildups can create water pools, and water pools, of course, can create water damage. That's it for today, guys. I hope this video was helpful and informational. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. And of course, if you would like us to give you a roofing quote or a solar quote, you can go to our website or click the link below for more information. Have a good week.